how to listen music together on Spotify. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you listen music together on Spotify. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to assure that you have the updated version of Spotify on your device. So for that, you'll have to just open the Google Play Store or App Store, and from there you can easily know that if any updates are available for the Spotify. And after you update the latest version of Spotify, you'll have to just open the application Spotify. Alright, so after you open the Spotify, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just choose any songs from here. So after you choose, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option 3 dot just at the top right corner. Alright, so from this section, after you scroll down at the bottom, you'll get options like group share or listen with friends. So right now, I have not any pro subscription on Spotify. So if you have the pro subscription, you can easily go there options like group share or listen with friends. So after you go that option, you can easily listen the music together on Spotify. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.